Welcome to this yoga tutorial on techniques for toning the abdominal muscles. In this video, we will explore a series of yoga poses and exercises specifically designed to target and strengthen your core. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, these techniques are suitable for all levels. Let's start with a gentle warm-up sequence to prepare our body for the abdominal toning exercises. Begin in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Start to bring your awareness to your breath and let go of any tension in your body. This warm-up will help activate your abdominal muscles and increase blood flow to the area. Next, we move into the powerful plank pose, a key exercise for building core strength. Start by coming into a high push-up position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Engage your core by drawing your navel toward your spine and lengthen your tailbone toward your heels. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on keeping your body in a straight line. Now let's target the abdominal muscles even further with boat pose. Sit on your mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, engage your core, and lift your feet off the ground. Straighten your legs and reach your arms forward, parallel to the ground. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, feeling the deep contraction in your abs. To intensify the abdominal toning, we'll incorporate leg raises. Lie down on your back with your arms by your sides and legs extended. Inhale deeply, then exhale as you lift both legs towards the ceiling. Keep your lower back connected to the mat and engage your core to prevent any strain on your back. Lower your legs back down and repeat for a total of 10 to 12 repetitions. To conclude our abdominal toning practice, let's transition into a relaxing and restorative pose called child's pose. From a kneeling position, gently bring your forehead down to the mat and extend your arms forward. Allow your breath to naturally flow and release any remaining tension in your abdominal area. Stay in this pose for a few breaths, enjoying the sensation of deep relaxation. Congratulations! You have completed this yoga tutorial on techniques for toning the abdominal muscles. Regular practice of these exercises will help strengthen your core and improve your overall posture. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. Thank you for watching and happy yoga!